Hi guys, so in today's video I have this new set that Diamond Press has brought to HSN ahead of the August 13th craft day, and it is a stencil kit called Crystal Confetti Paste. So I'm really curious to check this guy out. Diamond Press did send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchased items to those links. So very cool, this one. It comes with your confetti paste, with your applicator, with instructions and stencils, of course. So let's check this out. Now I will say I don't know what order I'm putting these videos out in. I did review a couple other kits called Mosaic and I think Holidays stencil kits that came with pigment inks and a clear texture paste, but this one has confetti paste. So if you look, oh there you go, that's why it's called confetti. So it has like little flecks of like mylar. They're called mylar. I don't know, if they have a different name for it, but it says crystal confetti. You see the little mylar flakes in there? That is very cool. So I'm assuming it's going to be clear. That's why it's called crystal, and then those little flecks, right? So the instruction, your applicator, the instruction is saying that you are going to, put a stencil on cardstock and hold it in place with low-tack tape or washi tape, and then take your spatula and spread the confetti paste across the stencil in the same fashion as icing a cake. And then you're going to want to let it dry, and that's it, if you just want something like that, right? So it's just going to be a beautiful kind of shimmery background. Love it, and that's what it says. So you know what? That's what we're going to do. So there you go. I will say I will have linked everything that is currently available there on HSN. They did bring quite a few of the items out that Diamond Press was bringing ahead of the August 13th craft day, so they have been linked there. Again, maybe in the little, with YouTube, the little shop embedded in the video, or maybe underneath there's a word that says shop there for you guys. So let's check these guys out. Very cool. Kind of retro, kind of flowery. I don't know. That's how I see it. It looks kind of like it's swirled like this, but that's what I'm seeing. So kind of a floral. A big dot. I will say these are oversized stencils, and I mention that every time, but sometimes I forget until after I'm already talking about it. Just shy of 6 inches by 9 1/4, and then you lose about ½ inch all around as far as the design, right? So just keep that in mind. And then look at this cool one. Kind of like a wedding ring quilt kind of feel to it. Little stars. Love that, the shape of those, and then like little oyster kind of shape there. And then we have a lattice. Really nice everyday kind of designs on this one. I love it. And the hearts. We love our little hearts. So, I mean, it's basically saying just to, use it. And there you go. So I'm going to grab some different papers, maybe different sizes, and we'll try it out. I'll be right back. So they're saying just to apply it to your paper, which of course that'd be really great. It's going to give it a really cool look because of that little quasar background. So I think we'll do that. Maybe we'll start with one that's just basic like that. And then we'll do maybe more of a watercolor background one, so that's why I'm bringing that out. The Today Special. The Diamond Press Today Special with the watercoloring. And let's do this one. And so I'm just going to pin that onto this paper here. Just put it there. And, right about there is good. That's an A2 size piece of paper, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I'm just going to place it like I said. So just take your confetti paste and we'll see what that looks like. And then the second one I'll use the Today Special watercolors to make a nice background, and then put this stuff on top. It is chunky. I love that. Look at that. Very cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna, oh, that is so cool. I'm just gonna start with this. Diamond Press has been creating some fun things. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. And that's why I got the bright pink paper, because I was like, you know what, let's just go for it. Make it super bright and fun. And again, I just use a little at a time. Whatever you can pick up afterwards, you can put it back into the jar. Very carefully down here. Trying to get it all the way to the end of my paper. And I can collect all that. And the extra can go right back into my jar. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go wipe this off, rinse it off, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so let me put some of these things to the side. That is really, really cool. And I would just leave it like that. I'm not trying to flatten that out. I think that's the whole point of it, that you have like these little mylar shards in here. I'm just going to push those back down in there. That is cool, cool, cool. Okay, we'll look at it once it dries also. So let me find a safe space for this. Right there. I'm going to take this away. And for today's special, I'm just going to grab my watercolors. From the add-on set, I did get this big wash brush, so I'm just going to put that in the background. Now let's go ahead and use a 5x7 piece of... Oh, okay, hold on. I was going to do the white paper, but you know what? Let's do the black paper. I didn't really have an idea for the wash in the background. I was just going to add some, you know, colors. So what if we do that, and what if we add some of these guys? So let's check that out. I want to get some water going. Again, I just want to do like a wash of color. So I'm just going to go in here and just grab a ton of this kind of shimmery background. I got the pink. I'm not really squeezing water anymore now. I just want this stuff to just really just be there. So, and you can mix the colors. Maybe after I grab some pink, I can go in and maybe some of this, I think they call it dark blue. And just getting something in the background that's going to be really fun. Yeah. Doesn't totally have to be covered up either. You can just leave some areas. That's very good. Okay. I'm going to let that set up. And then we'll go in with our little mylar confetti flake. I am going to hit it with the heat tool though so it dries faster. But I'll be right back. I cannot believe how cool. I don't know if you can appreciate it. In real life, this just looks like super magical, awesome, really, really great palette there in the Today's Special. So, I'll put that right there, I think. And then, let's just grab one of the stencils. I didn't really think which one to use. I mean, the star one's going to look really cool. This one, they're all going to look really cool. I think it has a very celestial look to it, so I mean, we can do something like that. And maybe a little astronaut card, or a little, you know, you're out of this world kind of card, or a congratulatory card. I think those would be really great with this kind of design. So let's put that on there. And there. Maybe another little piece up here, because again, whenever you watercolor on paper, it kind of wants to get a little bit wonky on you. Okay. So let's just go for it. This stuff is really cool, guys. And you know, you don't have to do the whole thing. Actually, if we want, we can just do like a very artsy area at the top. Let's do that. Let's do this one a little bit different. A little bit nice and chunky. Oopsie, did get that underneath my stencil, sorry. Okay. And let's get the excess back in here. Okay, I'm trying to leave it a little bit chunky. Okay. Very cool. Let me go wipe this off. And then when I say wipe it off, I do get a paper towel and I wipe it down because I don't want all this kind of microplastics and things going into water system. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this set, I mean, it's super quick and easy to work with. You know, pop it on top of something, just the paper. However, I didn't clean up behind this, the stuff that was there, so it wants to stick. But let's let this dry and we will take a look. And I'll try and give you an approximation about how long it took to dry. Also, I'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been roughly 2 hours. I just kind of left it alone and came back, and look how cool that is. So all these little bits, again, if you want to die cut it, obviously you can die cut it. I would just take a scissor and cut those little pieces off at the end there, and it'll just clean it right up, right? So I don't think it's ready to be like die cut if I was going to run it through a machine. Definitely not, but I can touch it and it's fine, right? So like I said, it's been about 2 hours. Similar timing on this one. I mean, I made this one second. But look how cool. Like, look at the difference, too, in the way they reflect. Very, very cool. So, Thanks for watching, guys. I will, again, use these as backgrounds here and there. I just wanted to show you kind of what this kit does. A lot of fun. I mean, this is cool stuff. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Die Press, for sending these items for review. Images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, again, possibly embedded in the video here. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.